Hi friends, today we're talking about sink and float. So you have two pieces of paper. One says things that float, things that sink, and a container of water. So you need an adult to let you know where you can have your container of water. Or you could try it in a sink or a bathtub or wherever you can watch items. Decide what kind of items you have at home that you would like to see if they sink or float. Today I'm using a fork, a popsicle stick, a Lego, and a big marble. So see what you can find in your house. So today we're going to try the fork. Do you think it will sink or float? Let's find out. It floats. How about a popsicle stick? It floats. How about a giant marble? That one sinks. And let's see about this Lego. The Lego floats, but it's kind of a tricky one. If you turn it over and fill it with water, what happens? It sinks. So it does both of them. It sinks and it floats. You can use a paper here and you can graph it by writing what the item is, like fork, and you can make a prediction. Do you think it will sink or float? You can decide beforehand and then see the result. What happens to it? It floats. Or you can use a different piece of paper and you can decide to put everything on there. Have fun with it. It's amazing to see things that you think will float actually sink. Have fun. Bye, friends.